The thing better start.
I spent some time last week.
Or else I'm gonna be. Oh! Alright. Let me get my crap straight. Put a motor in it, guy! It's talking about a 1985 Chevy Silverado. You're actually gonna put a motor in it? Well, I don't think you need to because it's a 1985 Chevy Silverado. In order to have a motor in it, probably a badass one too. But if you're gonna put a motor in it, I'd recommend the brand new LS1, one of them goddamn fancy cars. That's what I'd put in my 1985 Chevy Silverado. But it's up to you. All I can say is, damn it, Mom, put a motor